and film another video. I know this is like 2 in just a matter of a few days, so I'm on a roll. Today I want to show you my BoxyCharm Luxe. So I'm going to change my camera angle so you can see everything better. Okay, so this month's box came white, and it's got these cute little heart cutouts on the side. I don't know if you can see that or not. But anywho, the theme is Lucky, and the first thing that you can see is I have vitamin C. Hopefully my light's not too bright. Vitamin C facial sheet mask that retail for $15. Who doesn't love sheet masks? Ooh. Wow, there's a ton of stuff in here. The next one is a Dominique Cosmetics. Ooh, I'm gonna like this color. Creamy Fill and Define Lip Liner. Normally, when I get stuff, I'm not a big fan of the color, but I'm gonna like this one. I might help if I twist it up. You can see that. It's just a pretty nude. It's called Crush. Let's see if I move this. A little over. That's better. There we go. I'm still getting used to this camera, guys. The next is a hyaluronic acid by Vivant. It's micellar water, which I'm excited for. I am running low, and this is $90. So something tells me when I run out, I will not be buying any more of that. The next is a Glow Recipe Plum Plum Hyaluronic Serum. It says this concentrated formula is your go-to for plump, radiant skin. It retails for $42. Don't worry, I just tore it. I'm horrible about that. Mainly because I get impatient. Look how cute that bottle is. You might hear my dogs in the background. I'm curious to kind of... Oh, just a little push top. I feel like I started back on this in December. No, I lie. January. And in January they sent me as an extra gift the December Luxe box. But I stopped getting this for a while because I kind of felt like I was getting too many palettes of shadows that I just wouldn't wear. This is the Barbarella eyeshadow palette. It says meet the black book of color with subtle shades to straight up blast of color. I'm probably going to have to tear this because I cannot get it out. Yep, you're going to hear my dogs. Get out. I don't keep them in the little packaging anyway. This is retails for $50. I don't know if I said that or not. But these sleeves are always so tough for me to get out. I think it's because I don't keep fingernails. Ooh, yeah, these are cute. You have your pop of blue. I'll never use that one. But everything else is gold and shimmer and yeah. Curious. Ooh, they're smooth. Curious on how payoff is. Let's see. Not too bad. I'm still getting used to this camera, guys. You're gonna have to bear with me. Okay, so just a few more things left. I got these Icy Glow massagers. I'm laughing because I've been wanting to try them. And they are bigger than I thought they were going to be. This is what they come looking like. The first time, jeez, I can't even get it out. You're supposed to be able to rub this across your skin. You put them in the freezer and it helps with puffiness and everything like that. It just reminds me of a crack pipe. I know I shouldn't say that, but just the shape of them. I get it. I get why they did it like this, but I don't know. I find it humorous. So, now, Beauty Bakery. Ooh, I've been wanting to try something from Beauty Bakery. I know their setting powders used to be real great. Isn't there some, like, controversy between that and Huda? But this is called the Blending Egg Beauty Sponges, and it retails for $18. I guess I'm gonna have to tear this. Oh, look how cute that is. It feels just like a beauty blender. These are 18. It says get your beat on. Soft and comfy, allowing you to get cracking on the beat. Cook up with your mind. Blending eggs are uniquely created to fit in the palm of your hand for seamless blending. Blending eggs will be your new favorite tool for egg extraordinary caking that's hard to be beat. I love puns. And then the last thing is Eloise Mini Teardrop Brush. Ooh. One, they nailed it on the packaging. And two, look how pretty this is. It says Rose Gold Teardrop Brush. It's the first ever brush to be made in its style with thousands of super soft synthetic fibers in each vegan-friendly and cruelty-free brush. You're guaranteed remarkable results. The mini teardrop brush can be used for all base applications, making this revolutionary brush an absolute essential for any cosmetic enthusiast collection. And it's valued at $45. Oh, that's real pretty and ergonomical. I like it. Hopefully it doesn't shed. But that's it. That's the box. It goes so fast when opening. But thank you for watching. Please subscribe, hit the bell, like, comment, and I plan on doing another video really soon. Bye, guys.